Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS G712L. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS G712L gets really hot and sounds like the fan is struggling, you're not alone. Overheating laptops can lead to reduced performance, unexpected shutdowns, or even permanent hardware damage if not addressed promptly. It's essential to tackle this issue to ensure your device runs smoothly and lasts longer. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep track of where each screw goes to make reassembly easier. Carefully use the plastic spudger to lift the back panel off, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back panel is removed, locate the fan, which is usually near the center of the laptop. You'll see a few screws holding it in place. Make sure to disconnect the fan's power cable carefully to avoid damaging it. Next, remove the screws securing the fan. When lifting the fan out, be gentle to avoid disturbing any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to install the new fan. Place it in the same position as the old one and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Don't forget to reconnect the power cable firmly. After replacing the fan, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU if necessary, ensuring proper heat transfer. Once everything is secured, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. To check if everything is working, power on your laptop and listen for the fan. It should sound smooth and consistent. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure your laptop is well ventilated, avoid using it on soft surfaces like beds or couches, and regularly clean the vents to remove dust buildup. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.